What will the real value of Theta organization be in 2023? This question is very important. Is it smart to put money into Theta organization? Does it make sense to buy in 2023? Theta's price generally goes up more than its all-time high, which is not what most people think. Even though most people don't think this way, these are what we really think Theta's future costs will be. Based on the cost and technical analysis of the Theta Group, the price of a Theta in a real census should go over $1.60 in 2023. Most people don't know that the average value of the Theta Group at the end of this year should be $1.56. Estimated the Theta Group's value in May 2023. For May 2023, Theta business value could be as low as 1.24 cents or as high as 1.37 cents. The average price of Theta is projected to reach $1.29 in a quiet way in May 2023. Theta value figure June 2023. In June 2023, the price of Theta Group will be at least 1.29, which is a very important amount. Theta company value can go as high as $1.43, but the average exchange rate is only 1.34 cents, which is a big gap. What the Theta Group should do July 2023. In July 2023, the price of Theta Group is projected to be at least 1.31 cents, which is a big deal. In 2023, the average exchange rate for Theta could be 1.37 cents, and the price could hit a kind of peak of 1.48 cents. Most of the time, this is a very important amount. Figure of the value of the Theta Group. The average price of Theta Group could go up to 1.42 cents by the end of August 2023, which is usually a big deal. The price of Theta could be anywhere between $1.54 and $1.36. From September 2023 to September 2023, the Theta company price is predicted to be at least $1.41, but most people think it could go as high as $1.60, with an average price of $1.47. The price of Theta Group should be between 1.46 and 1.67 between October 2023 and October 2023, with an average exchange rate of 1.51 cents in USD, or so they thought. Figure of the value of the Theta Group November 2023. In November 2023, the price of Theta could be as high as 1.74 cents. In November 2023, the cheapest Theta will cost $1.50, and the average price will be 1.56 cents. The Theta Group is projected to be worth at least $1.56 by December 2023. But, contrary to what most people think, the price of Theta could go as high as $1.82, with an average price of about $1.60. The Theta Group has passed value analysis in a way that is kind of important, but crypto has been fun. Recently, the Theta Group has shown a lot of promise, and this could be a particularly good chance to win in every way. They thought they should just jump in and spend. The price of Theta has gone down by 7.484, which is equal to 8 cents, in the last month. Right now, the coin is in plunge because of the sudden drop. This could be a good time to buy SP. The change in price over the past 90 days is about 33.55%, and the average price went from 71 cents to 73 cents. In the last 4 months, the Theta organization has shown a growing trend that is very big. Because of this, we think that compare narrative pieces of the market were very popular at that time. According to the most recent information, the trading volume of the Theta organization has grown from 4 months, showing that the Theta organization is growing. The average price of the coin was about $1.11, and the average price of really was about 92 cents. This is a huge difference, and it makes me wonder how much the Theta organization will be worth in 2023. In the last 10 days, the value of Bitcoin has gone up by more than a third. This has led to expectations of a crypto rally that will break records in the coming months. The top cryptocurrency in the world hit its highest price of 2023 on Monday morning, when it went above $28,000. At the beginning of the year, it was worth less than $17,000. It's still a long way from its all-time high in November 2021, when it was close to $69,000, but traditional financial problems have brought optimism back to the crypto market. Balaji Srinivasan, who used to be the chief technology officer of Coinbase, bet $2 million that one BTC will hit $1 million in the next 90 days. This shows how optimistic he is about Bitcoin's price in the near future. The bet was made after Twitter user James Medlock wrote that he would bet anyone $1 million that the US does not enter hyperinflation. Mr. Srinivasan took up the offer and said that if he lost, he would send Mr. Medlock 1 BTC and $1 million in the stablecoin USD coin, which is tied to the US dollar. If he wins, he gets to keep the Bitcoin and the stablecoin. You buy 1 BTC. I'll send $1 million, the former Coinbase employee wrote on Twitter. This is a 40:1 chance, since 1 BTC is worth about $26,000. It's for 90 days. Mr. Srinivasan said that he thought the skyrocketing prices would be caused by the US dollar going through hyperinflation. The central bank, the banks, and the people in charge of the banks have put us all in debt, he wrote. They didn't tell you, the investors, that they were broke. And they're about to print $2 trillion to make the dollar worthless. This will happen very quickly in the digital age. So buy Bitcoin now and get your coins off of platforms. People with a lot of influence have bet before that Bitcoin would reach $1 million. For example, the late computer security pioneer John McAfee said in 2017 that he thought it would reach $1 million by 2020. Bitcoin, BTC, prices kept going down on Monday, as markets continued to consolidate before a big week for the economy. BTC/USD hit a high of $29,952.03 on Sunday. Earlier today, it fell to a low of $28,360.50. Because of this, Bitcoin quickly went below a key support level at $28,500 and hit its lowest point since April 27. Overall, the price of Bitcoin is still almost 4% higher than it was at the same time last week, when it was close to $27,000. Because of today's sell-off, the Relative Strength Index, RSI, has fallen to 50.00, which is its own bottom. The index is now at 50.09, and BTC is selling at $28,591.66. It has come back from its earlier low. Not only was BTC in the red, but Ethereum, ETH, prices also fell for the second day in a row. ETH/USD hit its lowest point of the day at $1,829.41, less than 24 hours after dealing at its highest point of $1,938.42. Like BTC, Ethereum went below its own point of support at the $1,800